Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and this is a tutorial on an arm balance called Elephant Trunk Pose. So Elephant Trunk Pose is a great prep for LSAT. It's really good at developing your core strength, and it's really useful and can be used to transition into other poses. So for Elephant Trunk Pose, you want to start with the legs straight out in front of you. So the first step is we'll take hold of the right leg, and you want to hook it up on your upper arm, as high up on the shoulder as you can. So when you're here, kind of hug the leg to your arm, and then place your hands beside your hips, just in front of your hips. So push into the hands, and to lift up into elephant trunk, it's really important to kind of scissor or squeeze your legs towards each other. That will give you kind of a bit of leverage to get your hips up off the ground. So lean forwards, push into the hands, pick the hips up. So extend out through the straight leg and squeeze the bent leg to your arm. Keep pushing into the hands, push the shoulders down. So you really feel it working your core muscles, particularly the side of the straight leg. So keep working on it, try it on both sides, and eventually it will help you move into different poses and develop the core strength for LSAT as well. It's quite a fun pose to play with. So please let me know how you get on, and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you very much.